Hello viewers! In today's video, I will show you how to make money every 15 seconds with a free website that has never been talked about on this channel until now. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell to be notified whenever you upload a new video on how to make money online. Let us go to our website for today. Be sure to stick with me because I will reveal the name of this website very soon. Now you will see here on their page, get paid every 15 seconds, trusted and sustainable. You may click on the register button right here, but we will be dropping into that later on. First, let us browse through this website to know more about it right here. Earn money for free with multiple ways. Here are their earning opportunities starting from viewing ads, clicks, grid, watching videos, completing offers, and their affiliate system. Let's read through all of these ways to earn money online. View ads. Click ads daily and get up to 3 cents per click. Clicks grid win up to $1 directly into your account balance. Watch videos, watch YouTube videos and get paid for that complete offer that pay and earn points. Affiliate system refer new members and multiply your earnings. Since we're all here to make money using the website, we will be member and these are the benefits of being sale members benefits. Earn up to 3 cents per click and earn up to 2 cents per sign up. And earn up to $20 per referral upgrade plans. A safest and easiest way to earn online. Awesome, right? You don't just get to earn money online, but you also have the sense of security because their website is known to be safe and easy in terms of making money online. So you never have to worry about putting all of your effort into nothing. Now to know about this website, here are some of their key points. About Swingbox professional support, secure and stable environment. Instant services, innovative ideas, customer-oriented business. DOS protected. As you can see, they are very transparent on this website. They will show us how much they have already paid to their members. If you wish to view their proof of payments, just click this button at the bottom of the page and it will take us straight into their proof of payment. In this section, you can see here the most recent transactions, the most recent earnings from people from all over the world. This one right here is earning this amount of money. Well, this one. Wow, this huge amount of money. You can see the day to day, their usernames, and even the time. Wow guys, I'll tell you, this is definitely legit. Jump straight into this website right after you watch this video so you can be one of these lucky and hardworking people to earn money online. There are endless earnings and transactions right here. A lot of people are earning from this website, and right here jump to page 80. You guys, 80 pages of earning transactions, and you can be one of them. Your name can be one. That will be shown on one of the 80 pages right here. They also have forum. Just click on this forum at the bottom of the page. You can keep track of the latest news about this website. Here, scroll down or up and update it with this website. If you think that's powerful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, alright? Now going back to the earning opportunities. If you will click on this button Earn, it will show all of these which you can choose from, and if I click on this clicks grid, it will take me to this page. Basically, Swing Grid Clone is easy to play. Just click anywhere on the picture and win up to $5 that goes directly into your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor site that you will have to view for up to 10 seconds. After this time has passed, you will know if you're a winner or not. Just click anywhere to earn. I mean, isn't this the easiest task to do to earn this amount of money? Wow! And take note, there are a lot of boxes right here, and you can win up to $5 just by clicking on those boxes. And clicks are reset daily at midnight server time. They also show you the recent winners right here. Just scroll, it is endless. A lot of people are earning from this. Before we proceed with the registration, the process, let us first go through some of the frequently asked questions on this website by clicking on this button. First, do I have to invest to get paid? No, you do not have to invest to get paid. But if you buy higher membership and rented referrals, you will earn much more and faster. Second, do I have to click ads to earn from my referrals? The next day, yes, you need to click at least 4 ads to earn from your referrals. The next day, third, which payment processors do you use? We use a Pay Your Perfect Money Bitcoin Skrill RTM node after you deposit via Bitcoin. Please open a support ticket and specify the amount and payment ID. Fourth, I requested a payment and now the money is back in my account balance. Number 1. If you requested a payment using the wrong payment processor, your money will be refunded back to your account balance. If your BDC address is wrong, your money will be refunded back to the account balance. Number 3. If your payment processor didn't accept payment, your money will be refunded back to account balance. Number 4. If your personal information is wrong like name, country, email, your money will be refunded back to your account balance. Number 5. You violated the rules and do's, such having a higher number of referrals than allowed on current membership. Lastly, why is my account suspended? Number 1. Users using false information like full name, country, email, etc. When registering or changing their personal settings will have their account suspended. Read to number 2, you violated the rules, and to the number 3, you're cheating. Now to register, just click on this button at the top right hand corner of their website. And this is where they will take you for the general information. Simply enter your full name, username, password, email address, confirm email and password. And for your payment details, just fill this out. Choose from all of these payment options. If you have Perfect Money, pay your Bitcoin, Skrill or ARM. And for them, to make sure that you're not a robot, just click this button for the image verification. You just have to read and agree to abide by the swing box rules. Then click on this button to register and you're good to go. Start doing something. You can start earning money from this website. And that ends today's video. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel with notifications turned on, so you don't miss out on any content. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.